Welcome to a quick walkthrough of a 2-bedroom at Heathergate. This unit is 900 square feet and prices start at $954 a month. When you first walk in, you'll be in your large carpeted living room. You also have a coat closet right as you enter. On the other side of the living room, you have a sliding glass door which leads out to your own personal balcony. You'll then head through to your dining room and into the open kitchen with a breakfast bar. Your kitchen comes with a fridge, microwave, dishwasher, and garbage disposal. Through your kitchen is a small laundry room that has a full-size washer and dryer. Shelving has also been installed to hold your detergents. At the beginning of the hallway is bedroom number 1, which has one window with all new blinds and a large closet. Back out of the bedroom, you have a closet in the hallway with plenty of extra storage space. The hallway bathroom is a full bathroom with a shower, toilet, and large vanity. Here is the large master bedroom. Through the hallway to the bathroom, you have large closets on both sides. The master bathroom has a vanity, toilet, and shower, as well as extra shelving behind the door.